Hey everyone, what's this? This is a 909, but it's not, look. It's a Re 909 from DinSync. This is a one-to-one, um, what is it? It's not a clone, it's a recreation of a 909, using all of the same interior circuitry, all of the same components, and remade to be the most perfect copy of a 909 ever created, not only for the sound and the modulation capabilities, but also the workflow. I had a 909 about 20 years ago, and adored it. It's my favorite drum machine. I have an 808, I have a Lindrum, so I'm sport for choice. But the 909 really is um, just as special as those two other drum machines, and just is a fantastic machine. It's incredible, not only for the sounds but also for the workflow, the tactileness of it. I've had various clones of 909s over the years. Most recently, the Roland TR09, which is the boutique form factor small version of the 909, which sounded great and had lots of other interesting additions to the 909. It had individual gains for every sound. It had certain additional modulations or additional parameters that you could change. For instance, it had a decay on the hand clap. It had a tuning for the hi-hats. It had a decay for the rim shot. Now, I liked it, but what I didn't like is it didn't feel like a 909. Working with it, the buttons were small. It was a small, compact thing. It had a couple of bugs that used to trip me up. And I suppose it had a good sound, but it never really had the weight of a 909. I didn't know that DinSync made this Re 909 until a couple of weeks ago when I saw one for sale on a French secondhand website, very conservatively priced. I'd been trying to buy a 909 for I suppose the past year or two, trying to find one for under 4,000 euros, something like that, and had really struggled. Had tried to buy a couple of times, approached a few people who were scammers, who were trying to scam me, and eventually just threw my hands up because, as you probably know, a 909 now, I mean, you're lucky to get one for under 5,000 euros, and that price just keeps going up and up. You see them online for 6, 7, 8,000 euros, which is, I suppose they're kind of worth it if you've got that kind of money, but it is really, really a huge amount of money for something that really, let's be honest, you can get the 909 sound out of samples, and there are so many clones which sound very close to it. What I love about this is the physical object of the 909, which I just absolutely adore. I think it's a complete thing of beauty, and the fact that it has these wonderful old buttons, exactly like the original. So when you're playing it, the tactileness and the space you have to work with is just fantastic for creativity. Okay, it's enough of me rambling. Let's play some patterns. I've got nothing prepared, so it's really just whatever is in there from the last time I was in the studio. Let's see how it sounds. It's coming through my speakers, which are KRKs, but just being recorded on an iPhone, so the sound quality won't do it justice at all. Gotta love those 99 hats, man. Hear that shuffle kicking in, that amazing 909 shuffle. We got nothing on that? Maybe nothing left. Pretty standard 4/4 pattern there. Well, look, I'm going to do some more videos later about this wonderful machine. I just was so excited to have it back in my life. Have this wonderful thing, and just really thrilled with what DinSync did here. I know they make a Re 303 too. I'm not sure if that's what it's called, which I'd always looked at and never really found very interesting, just because there are so many 303 clones. But having played with this, I'm now much more interested to get my hands on one of those, because I don't have a 303. I have soft clones of it, but I do not have. I've had 303 clones in the past. Nothing has really had the same workflow, the thing I really want from a 303. But having played with DinSync's RE909, I think I would like to check out their 303 and see what that's like. It's wonderful rides here. Okay, that's enough for now. I'll make some more videos later with the I'll make some more videos later with the RE909. And if you have questions about it, or you'd like to hear the individual sounds, just let me know.